Good morning, student. In my previous video, Heron's Formula Part 1, I have discussed about some keywords, formula and introduced Heron's formula with one example. Today I will take some questions from exercise 12.1 of NCERT. In regarding that, first question we will take here. The question is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. Now, as the triangle is given equilateral triangle, so all sides will become, and it is also given A. So perimeter is equal to sum of sides so A plus A is equal to given 180 centimeters. So 3A is equal to 180 centimeters. So A is equal to 180 divided by 3. This is 60 centimeters. So each side is 60 centimeters. Now find S. S is equal to perimeter divided by 2, and perimeter is 180 is given here. So it is 90 centimeters. Now student, we can use Heron's formula as Heron's formula is area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So it will become 30, 30 and 30. So now when you factorize 90, you will see it is 3 into 30, 30, 30 and one more 30. So if you are pairing it, you will see all 30s get paired. So the answer will be 30 into 30 can be taken outside of this square root. So it is 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the signal board. Now we'll take one more questions from the same exercise, that is 12.1, and the question is here: find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and its perimeter is 42. Solution is that let A, B and C are sides of triangle, suppose ABC, and here A is given 18 centimeters and B is given 10 centimeters and C we don't know, but perimeter is given. So we know perimeter is equal to sum of sides. So perimeter is given 42, A plus B plus C. So 42 is equal to A is given 18, B is given 10, C we don't know. So we can write, just transpose it. So you will get 42 minus 28 is equal to C. So 14 is equal to C. That we have got 14 is equal to C. We have got it. Now find S. S is equal to perimeter divided by 2. So perimeter is what? 42. So 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21. Now we have to find the area. Now area is equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Put the value. S is equal to 21. So 21 minus A is what? 18. 21 minus B, 10 and 21 minus c, that is 14. So you can write it is 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Here you can write 21 can be factorized into 3 into 7. It is 3 into 11 into 7. All are prime numbers, nothing to do here. Factorize cannot be done here. So just make the pair. So you will see pair 7, 3, 7, 3, 2 pairs are made. So you can take a 7 into 3 outside. It is root 11. So it is 21 root 11 centimeter square is your answer. Instead, now we'll take one more question. The question is, side of triangles are in the ratio of 12, 17, 25. It is given. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. So 12 centimeters, 12, 17, 20 all are given the ratios of let the sides A is equal to हो जाएगा 12x, B is equal to 17x and C is equal to 25x. And perimeter is given. So perimeter is equal to sum of sides. So it will become 540 is equal to, so 540 is equal to A is 12x plus B is 17x plus C is 25x. So now 540 is equal to 54. If you make it sum, you will get 54x. So 540 divided by 54, that is x. So x is equal to 10. Now A will become, A is 12x, so it has become now 12 into 10, therefore 120. Therefore it is 120. So centimeters. And B is equal to, B is what, 17x, so it is become 17 into 10, 170 centimeters. And now C is equal to, C is 25x, this become 25 into 10, it is 250. Now S is equal to perimeter divided by 2, the perimeter is 540 divided by 2 is equal to 270. Now perimeters we have already got. So the thing is that we have to find value of area. Area of triangle is equal to S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Put the value. S is already we have got 270. 270 minus A. A is what? A is here 120. 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. This 250. So 270 into it is 150 into it is 100 exactly, it is 20. Now we have factorized it. So now you see when you factorize it, you will get, I think it is better to multiply all. So you will, if multiply all, it is more become easier. So it is, you see 8 1 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 6 0 will get. So when you factorize it, you will get 9000 centimeters square. So when you multiply, you will get, it is, I think it is simple. So with this, we are concluding this part now, and the next video will discuss 12.2.